How to get default wallpaper on iPhone 15 or 15 Pro. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to get the default wallpaper for iPhone 15 or 15 Pro. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option wallpaper. From wallpaper section, tap on add new wallpaper. And from here, you'll see all of the options like iOS default wallpaper, live wallpaper or color gradient. Look for the one that comes with your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro. It's usually under the section Earth, Dynamic or Feature. Simply from the Feature section, tap on any wallpaper. After you choose that, tap on the Add at the top right. And from here, simply tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. After you tap on that, you'll be able to set the default wallpaper for your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro. If this helped you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.